Alrighty, that's just my Oroweat dark rye bread cut into pieces. I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna place it into my bowl here just like that. We also use just a Sara Lee classic white bread that we cut also into pieces. These are 6-sided, so I believe they're a hexagon. And then our dark rye is just 5 sides. And we're just gonna start placing these in our bowl. You can use whatever kind of breads you like, but we wanted a differentiation in the colors. And now I'm just gonna kind of keep filling this out. You might have an idea of what we're making here. This is so fun with the FIFA World Cup happening. And of course you could do this for a kid's birthday if they're really into soccer or football. And we're just gonna fill these the rest of the way in here. Alrighty, we're gonna come in with our Duke's mayonnaise. And I'm gonna kind of squirt and drizzle. And then we're gonna give this a good spread. Oop, don't worry, we can fix that. And this is gonna act as a little binder here. We're just gonna start painting our mayonnaise up and down our bread slices. And I'm gonna show you what we're adding next, but this is gonna be perfect for your FIFA World Cup watch party. And the fun thing about this is it's totally customizable. Alrighty, the next thing we're gonna do is grab our oven roasted turkey breast. And we're just gonna start placing our slices just kind of around. Now, I did think the turkey was gonna be the best when it came to being next to the bread because it's the lightest color, but you could always do also, you know, like a white cheese. But one thing I like about the turkey is it's kind of wet. And so it really allows the turkey to kind of like stick and adhere to the bread. And we're gonna need that. All right, guys, we've got our Kroger brand American singles. And we're gonna kind of repeat this process. Now, we love the American singles because they're just so flexible and they have a good amount of stick to them. It makes it really convenient to kind of do projects like this. And of course, they're delicious. We love a Kraft single, a Kroger American single, whatever we can get our hands on. We're not picky. We love it. Alrighty, y'all. A perfect sandwich isn't complete without a little Black Forest ham. All right. Can't go wrong with a swirl of mustard. Perfect. All right, we're moving this to the side. We've got all this leftover bread crust. Now to our bread here, I'm gonna add in some Miracle Whip because it is one of our favorite salad dressings. Oh, wow. I might be finishing off this bottle in here. Oh my goodness. Of course, some more mustard. Yummy. Yum. Yum. That looks good. And some hamburger sandwich dill pickles. Perfect. All right, let's get this mixed up and incorporated. We want it to be a little bit wet. We want it to like hold together and be slightly saturated. And you're gonna see why. This is gonna be, you know, the bread and butter of our special treat today. Ooh, this is looking good. And the more you kind of like scrunch it together, it just really absorbs and like the bread kind of breaks up a little bit and just becomes more, you know, like easy to work with. It almost makes me think of kind of like building a wall or something like that. All right, we're bringing back in our bowl here. Time to put in the stuffing in the middle. Oh, it's like stuffing or dressing when you have Thanksgiving. You know, it's very similar. because you use your sort of dried bread and leftovers, spices. And this isn't gonna be the complete thing, but we're getting so close, you guys. We're almost done with this amazing, amazing, delicioso, special FIFA World Cup treat. All right, guys, I'm gonna come in with another layer of our turkey here. You can use really whatever meats you desire in here. This could be so good with like a Philly cheesesteak, a chicken cheesesteak, you know, really anything. The possibilities are endless. And I'm gonna go a little bit thick with this layer just because I have it, and why not? And it's gonna help everything hold together just a little better. We're gonna repeat that with our ham. All right, guys, originally I bought the sharp cheddar for this, but Marty was pointing out so smartly that it's not always as flexible to work with. So we did have the Kraft American singles just in our fridge ready to be eaten by us, but we decided to come in with a layer of the sharp cheddar down here where it can lay a little more flat. All right, guys, just a little bit of mustard on here. We're gonna need that. And we've just got our romaine hearts, which we just cut off of the bottom stalk where they were all bound together. And I'm just coming in and placing these guys. It's gonna be such a beautiful green backdrop here. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you to see what this looks like when we flip this over. All right, I'm gonna take my plate over the top of this just like that. And perfect. Guys, we are ready for our World Cup watch party. All right, Marty, you're my guest of honor at my FIFA World Cup watch party. And I wanna make sure you get a tasty slice.
Can't wait.
Look at that. Y'all, so easy, so good. You've gotta try it. World Cup soccer. You gotta try it.